Hello everybody and welcome back. We are on level 3 of lesson 4 with updating screen elements. So now we're going to change the text. So it says changing text. You can also change the text of elements on the screen using the set text block. Let's update the app so it uses your name in the app. Note, we've removed the design mode tab for now so you can practice working with set property and set text, but it'll come back later once you're building apps of your own. Do this. Use a set text block to update the app to display your name. Drag out a set text block. For the first parameter, select name label, the element's ID. For the second parameter, type in your name using quotes. Optional, use set text to change the greeting as well. For example, changing it to howdy or hola or that. All right, so we've got line 1 says this code updates the label title. So we have that all set. That's all this up here. And then line 5 says use a set text block to update the app to display your name. So we're going to do this. All right. And then we're going to select the ID and we're going to change that to name label like it asks us to. And then we're going to change text to my name, Miss Nunez. All right. So we're going to click on run. Oh, there we go. So welcome to my app. Hello, Miss Nunez. All right. So we can actually set text here as well. And we can change the greeting label to, I don't know, what do you guys want to change it to? Hola, hola. All right, so reset and run. Hola, Miss Nunez. There we go. All right, so we've got orange finish, and I will see you on level 3, or actually level 4. Here we go, and here we go.